p.m., 19 p.m., and 21 p.m. 2. Measurement method. Step 1. Download the decibel on the App Store. Step 2. Measure X room at X time. Step 3. Record the measurement result. The second one is analyze the result. 1. General analysis. 2. Detailed analysis. 3. Conclude. 1. General analysis overview. Here I have the information table and the type with all showing the values measured for 3 days by room, living room, bathroom, kitchen, etc. And different time slot 7 a.m., 5 p.m., 7 p.m., and 9 p.m. It is I calculate average value for each room and for each time slot. This is a table of value. And this is the sound level graph. The 3 rooms with the highest average value, which are also the 3 noisiest rooms are sky garden, balcony, hallway. The room with the lowest average value, which are also the quietest room, is dining room. The difference between the highest and lowest is 2 times. 17 p.m. is the time with the highest average value. Also, it's the noisiest time. 21 p.m. is the time with the lowest average value. Also, the quiet time. The difference between the highest and lowest is not much. 2. Detailed analysis by room. Based on the information table, I also calculate maximum value for each room and for each time slot, minimum value for each room and for each time slot. The highest value is 92 decibel at hallway. The lowest value is 11 decibel in bedroom. The room with high value are hallway, balcony, and sky garden. The room with low value are bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and dining room. Most of rooms have the largest difference in value between time slot and degree at the end of the day. Sky garden and balcony are 2 rooms with a stable value at high level. 3. Conclusion. The results show that sky, garden, balcony, hallway are open space with a lot of mixing and noisy sound at the sound of people talking, vehicle wind. The dining room and bedroom are less active area and the activities are also lighter and quieter. 17 p.m. is the time with the most activities such as drinking, cooking, bathing, playing. The end of the day when activities are less and people are preparing to go to sleep. And above is my report about the process of measuring and analyzing sound. Thank you for listening and goodbye.
Okay, thank you very much for a very vibrant and vivid presentation. I can feel that you spent a lot of times for this presentation. It's very good. Thank you so much.